not in the habit of talking about companies that are less than $250 million. If you ever called, you'll know that's the limit here on Mad Money. We don't want to pop stocks, that are thinly traded, that kind of stuff. Occasionally you come across something that just is too interesting. Got to take a look at it. But I'm not going to recommend it. I just want to find out about it. This is a company called Cano Petroleum. Trades on the Amex. Please be careful. 205 million market cap. It is a company that is doing enhanced oil recovery. Very right, at $70 a barrel. I want to welcome Jeff Johnson, Chairman and CEO of Cano Petroleum. Sir, good to have you on the show.
Thank you, Jim. Booyah. Glad to be here.
Oh, man. Texas tea. Booyah back at you. Okay, listen, could you just explain to our viewers what enhanced recovery is and why we are now probably in the hallelujah moment for enhanced recovery?
Sure, Jim. For just a little background, for every barrel of oil that has been produced in America, there are 2 barrels of oil still in the ground. And we have approximately 370 billion barrels that we know of in these mature fields here in the United States. We have the technology that is available now, and we have the know-how to go into these fields and just squeeze out of those 2 barrels left, just try to squeeze out another 15 or 20% of the oil that's left. And by doing so, it would sure help us as far as dependency on foreign oil, being able to plan for domestic production, and every barrel that we produce here and can squeeze out, that's one less barrel we don't have to worry about.
Jeff, let's say I'm one of these integrated oil companies. I'm an Exxon, a BP, a Shell. Why don't I just take advantage of it? Why are they leaving this such easy pickings to you?
Good question. The size of assets we're looking for, some of our fields have as little as 2 or 3 million barrels, as much as 30 or 40 million barrels. That will not move the needle for an ExxonMobil. The assets here in America are assets that for a small company like Cano Petroleum can move the needle substantially for us. The major oil companies are just that. They have got to find major oil finds in other parts of the world to even be able to replace their production. That isn't the case with a small independent, and focused here in America, onshore. That is the safest place in the world to own oil reserves right now is onshore in the USA.
Safer than Iraq, Nigeria, or Iran?
Excuse me?
Jeff, I was making a little oil joke. All right, Jeff, look, I think it's a good story. What I want people to do is do the homework. Go to the web. You have a good web page, right?
Yes, sir, we sure do. CanoPetro.com.
All right, everybody should go there before they do some buying. I like the story myself, but it's a small cap one. Jeff, thank you so much for coming on Mad Money.